Get a Jio eSIM online for your Apple iPad device or port your existing number in just 4 steps. Please follow the instructions as shown in the video and ensure that you're not missing any step. Before initiating the self-KYC request, please ensure that you have your Aadhaar details and the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar and Apple iPad with eSIM capability. Please note, if you can see mobile data option in your iPad device, it means your device is compatible with eSIM. Let's move on to the next step. To initiate first step, please ensure that your iPad device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. Now, in your Apple iPad device, go to Settings, select Mobile Data and tap on Add a new plan. When you select Add a new plan, you will see a new pop-up page window. Tap on Find a new plan or Purchase a new plan. Select Jio to initiate eSIM activation on your iPad device. During this journey, please allow permission for your current location if requested during this process. On selecting this process, you will be guided to KYC page. Select KYC via UIDAI. Initiate the self-KYC process using Aadhaar OTP or DigiLocker. In this video, we have shown Aadhaar OTP-based KYC process for illustration. Select KYC via UIDAI for Aadhaar OTP-based KYC. Tap on Continue. Now, enter your alternate number in mobile number field. That will be used for communication. Tap on Generate OTP. An OTP will be sent on your alternate number. Enter the OTP. Tap on Verify. Now, enter your Aadhaar number or virtual ID. Now, tap on Generate OTP button. Please note, an OTP will be sent to the number linked with your Aadhaar. Enter the OTP and tap on Verify. Please review the details and tap on Proceed. You will be required to enter the EID and IMEI of your Apple iPad device. Tap the EID field. When you tap the EID field, EID text suggestion will appear on the keypad. Choose the EID from the keypad suggestion. Then tap OK. Once you tap OK, the EID number will be automatically filled in. Tap in IMEI field and follow the same process. Now, tap on Email ID and enter your email ID. Tap on Continue to proceed to the next step. Declare existing mobile connections or else select No and tap on Continue. In case you wish to declare any disability, please select Yes or else select No. Now, capture your live photo and video in plain background. Tap on Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Now, choose the connection type that you wish to have, postpaid or prepaid. If you wish to activate New Jio eSIM, select New Jio SIM and tap on Continue. In case you want to port your existing number to Jio, select Port to Jio. Enter the mobile number in the existing mobile number field that you wish to port to Jio and enter required UPC details. To generate UPC details, type port space mobile number and send it as an SMS to 1900. In response, you will receive 8 digits alphanumeric UPC through SMS. Now, enter UPC and generation date in respective fields. Now, tap on Continue to move to the next step. Step 3. Select the plan type. Now, check your details and give confirmation by tapping on Checkbox. Tap on Verify and Pay. Now, an OTP will be sent to your alternate number. Enter the OTP. Read the terms and conditions and share your consent by tapping on I agree checkbox. Tap on Confirm. Now, select the payment mode and proceed to make the payment. Your request for Jio eSIM is successfully submitted for validation and you will receive an eSIM profile notification shortly. Step 4. Now that you have received the eSIM profile notification on your iPad, let's set the eSIM. Please ensure that your iPad device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. Let's proceed with the eSIM installation steps. You will receive an eSIM profile notification on your device as shown in the video. On your iPad device, tap on the notification to proceed for Jio eSIM setup. Tap on Continue. Please wait while the eSIM activation is in progress. It will take few seconds. Once the eSIM setup is successfully completed, you will be able to see it under Mobile Plans. In case you have cleared or missed eSIM notification, you can set up the eSIM from Settings. Go to Settings. eSIM setup notification will reflect as Setup Mobile Services. Tap on Setup Mobile Services. Tap on Continue. Please wait while the eSIM activation is in progress. Once the eSIM setup is successfully completed, you will be able to see it under Mobile Plans. You can also track your eSIM request. Just go to jio.com and search Track eSIM Request. For any assistance with eSIM activation, please call us on 1800-894-9999. Please don't delete the eSIM using Delete Plan. If accidentally deleted, visit the nearest Jio store with your Aadhaar or ID proof to request a new eSIM. Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, इमेजिन करो कि ऐसा देश जहां पर भारी पॉवर्टी और बेरोजगारी हो।